I see. More than I see. I see you when I stamp my lips. You see my mouth when they opened? See my mouth when they closed. And you see when my hair is brown, it turns back into flowy mess. And then I run away, and someone doesn't like that applause. Otherwise, I'll never get my hair back ever again, and then it will come back. That's my story. That's my story about when I was a little girl. That's a story when I was a little girl.